Are you interested in modifying your DJI Air 3 drone? If so, strobe light is an absolute must. Strobe lights make it easier to spot your drone in flight and help it stand out from the competition. The 3 top strobe lights for the DJI Air 3 will be covered in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Tomat strobe light. Look no farther than the Tomat strobe light if you're looking for a top-notch strobe light for your DJI Air 3 drone. Because it is specifically made for the DJI Air 3, this durable and flexible accessory guarantees a simple installation. The ultra-bright LED lights of the Tomat strobe light are one of its most notable qualities. This strobe light ensures that your drone is very visible even in low light thanks to its adjustable brightness settings and different flashing styles. The Tomat strobe light will make your drone clearly visible from a distance whether you're flying at dawn or twilight or even in cloudy conditions. This drone arm light has a 70 mAh battery and the package also contains a charging cord. No more effort is necessary. The lightweight and compact form of the Tomat strobe light is another noteworthy feature. This strobe light, which weighs only 6 grams, has no negative effects on the flight abilities or battery life of your drone. On number 2, we have Vifly strobe light. The Vifly strobe light is an excellent choice to take into consideration if you're looking for a dependable and high-performing strobe light for your DJI Air 3 drone. This strobe light is ideal for all of your drone flying activities because it was created especially for the DJI Air 3. The intense brightness of the Vifly strobe light is one of its unique features. This strobe light, which has high-intensity LEDs, makes sure that your drone is clearly visible from a distance even in poor lighting situations. The Vifly strobe light offers peace of mind and makes it simpler to follow your drone while it is in flight, whether you are flying in low light at night or during foggy conditions. The Vifly strobe light's simplicity of usage and installation is another fantastic feature. A simple mounting bracket that is included with the light makes it easy to secure it to your DJI Air 3 drone without the use of any additional tools. The strobe light's lightweight and small size ensures that it won't impair your drone's performance or flying time. On number 3, we have Insyoo strobe light. The Ensu strobe light is a fantastic choice to take into consideration when looking for a dependable and high-quality strobe light for your DJI Air 3 drone. This strobe light's amazing characteristics and benefits have been designed especially for the DJI Air 3 to improve your drone flying experience. The Ensu strobe light's extreme splendor is one of its most notable qualities. This strobe light's high-intensity LEDs make sure that your drone is always very visible even in poor lighting. The Insyoo strobe light makes sure that your drone stands out from the crowd whether you're flying at sunrise or sunset or in overcast conditions. In addition to being extremely brilliant, the Insyoo strobe light is also quite simple to set up. A simple mounting bracket that is included with the light makes it easy to secure it to your DJI Air 3 drone without the use of any additional tools. Its lightweight and small size guarantee that it will not affect the flight capabilities or battery life of your drone. So this is the best strobe lights to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.